Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Portmore Mall. We're going to take a tour of Portmore Mall, and this is the largest mall in Portmore. There is another mall, but it's actually two malls. It's not one mall, so this is the largest mall in Portmore. So it has many entrances. It has A, B, C, D sections, and each section has its own entrance. So this is the entrance via the Shoppers Fair, or where you see that ABM sign, that's also an entrance to the mall. And then over there where you see the mail pack sign, that's also another entrance to the mall. And Portmore has one of the largest populations outside the city of Kingston, and it's a very populated area, has a lot of residential communities, so these plazas do extremely well. There's Sunshine Mall and Portmore Village, or Sovereign Village, sorry, also in Portmore. But this mall is bigger because those two malls although they are side by side, there are two different malls. So this one is the largest one in Portmore and one of the largest malls in Jamaica. The largest mall in Jamaica, however, is the Fairview Shopping Center in Montego Bay. So this is actually the back of the mall now. And this is just one side. As we go out on the main road, you'll see another side of the mall. So we have a formula for what a successful mall is in Jamaica. You need to build it in a populated area. Portmore, you don't get any larger. You don't get it's a very populated area. You need a major supermarket chain, and they have the Shoppers Fair supermarket here. And you need food stores, and they actually have a food court inside, but you also have KFC out here, you have Mother's, a lot of very popular fast food restaurants are here. There's Burger King across the road, but the mall itself has a food court, so this mall does extremely well. Alright, so we're going to drive through another section of the mall now. The mall is so big, it has various parking lots. These stores out here on the left are a part of the mall as well. It's just that they're standalone. You don't walk through a main entrance to get to them. Alright, so that's Burger King across the road, and then this very nice, well, it used to be something else. Okay, so on the left now is the mall. So there's the mother's store. And then this is another entrance straight ahead to the mall. That's mother's on the left. Alright, and then there's another entrance on the left to the mall right here. So the mall has a lot of main entrances. Alright, there's a sign here that says one way, but I'm not sure which way you would go. Okay, let's work with it. What a comment on the roads. But this is a disgrace, this road. Alright, so straight ahead we're back out on the main road. When you leave the mall, there's a one way that takes you all the way around here. Okay. Still not out on the main road yet. Why did they have another one way here? I don't get it. Alright, so this is the main road straight ahead now.